Hello, Mr. Salad. Now I'm going to show you 9 criteria in Google Classroom. First of all, first criteria is change the layout. As you see here, we can change the layout. For example, with photography, I can change the picture. Let's choose this one, and as well as the color too. As you see, it changed with the colors and with the picture. Then invite at least 4 students. For example, for inviting my student, I should go to settings. In the bottom, you see there is a link for inviting my students and the special code. By this code, they can be invited. So the next step is schedule a Google Meet. So we should go to Zadania. As you see, there is a Google calendar. I should press it. So, and this date, like 20th November, I did my video lesson for this time. As you see, it will be like reminded before 30 minutes. So, for example, I can do another one for this date. So, like this one. As you see, I can write the name of my video lesson, for example, just video lesson. As you see here, I can change the time, the data, and everything. Then I should click on it, like добавить видеоконференцию in Google. As you see, I made a video lesson in calendar. The next step is change and create an assignment and create a rubric. We should go to just a moment. It's not visible. In Zadani, as you see, I created one assignment. It's called essay. In this essay, I created 2 rubrics. For example, as you see, one rubric for like content and for grammar. For example, as you see, there is a scores. For example, like 5, 3, and 2. Content is perfect for 5 score. Content is normal for 3, and content is bad for 2. And grammar, no mistakes on grammar for 5, normal mistakes on grammar 3, and too many mistakes on grammar, they will like take 2 score. The next step is also here you can see the description. Students will write an argumentative essay. Title: Should parents limit the screen time for kids? As you see, there is the data and a time of my assignment. So the next, by the way, it's for 10 scores. Yes. The next is assign different score for different tasks. For this one, I created another, for example, creating a story. And here you can see my 3 different rubrics for 30 score. Let's, as you see, different rubrics and like different scores for each of them. For grammar, as you see, no mistakes, few mistakes, many grammar mistakes, and their scores. Here for content as well, and the design, like perfect design for 10 score, like normal design for 5, and simple design for 2. They will take 2 score for simple design. The next step is like here's a description, like students should create a story on any topic. The next one is create a quiz. For example, I have already created one quiz related to vocabulary. So here, as you see, there is a blank quiz. There are my questions for vocabulary, like tests. For example, as you see, I created 3 different tests. Assume, detached house, and isolate, like it's as a example. So then there is a description. It's for 10 scores. And let's see how well you remember vocabulary. 8 for it, as you see. And срок сдачи, like the date, 10th, 9th November. Deadline, I mean. So the next step is next criteria, make two announcement. For announcement, I should go to Lenta. And as you see, I created two announcements. One announcement with text and one announcement with like as in rubric, link, file, etc. For example, let's check with the text. As you see, I created one announcement with text. For example, everyone should join to meeting at this time. It's with text. It will remind my students to join. And the next announcement is like with a file, like with videos. For example, it's a link, there is a link and a file. As you see, I just put any file as an example. So this one, and that's all. So the next step is add materials. So for materials, I should go to задания. I created another like blank for material, like material for vocabulary. I choose vocabulary subject for material. As you see, I added a lot of material. For example, there is two files, there is two links, there is two images, and there is two videos. Yes, as you see, this one files, these pictures and links and videos. So the next step is evaluate each type of assignment, at least one student for each time. To check their assignment and give scores, I should go to задания as well as I'm here already. So for example, I should choose essay. As you see, one my student done his assignment. Now I should check it. My student is Gozal Darova. She already done her work. Now I'm gonna to check it. For example, as you see, there is her text, and I should like give her scores by using rubrics. For example, here I can give her like for her content 3 scores, for her grammar 5 score, and it's 9 out of 10. Also, I can write a comment for her assignment like well done, sorry, well done. Next, there is a special blank comment. There I can, as you see, there is different types of like perfect, very bad, and etc. I can choose, for example, well done, copy it. Also, I can just put on here, like, let's delete this one. Let's choose another one because I already, for example, let's choose perfect. I copied it, then I should just paste here. As you see, there is another place to write comment for her assignment. I can like very good job, like this. Добавить and опубликовать post. So I have done, I think. So I guess I showed all 9 criteria. So thank you for your attention.